is up. It's driving behind the line. We start at 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 10 underway at the Midwest Regional. We're seeing robots lining up for shots into power ports, while staying going for the outer port of the Blue Alliance. Gear it forward, doing the same for the Red Alliance. Successful play on the Red Alliance. They are able to sink 6 power cells into their upper port, getting them closer to a stage 1 activation. Driver control period underway in the match. Action from all 6 robots on the field. Cash Money are rookies out of Chicago, placing power cells into the bottom port, while staying putting it up top into the upper port. Blue Alliance and Red Alliance, both the successful stage 1 activations. Red Alliance, however, in the lead, 55-34, with just over a minute and a half remaining in the match. Cash Money of the Blue Alliance going up to the loading bay. Their human players loading several power cells. On the Red Alliance, Argos highly successful as they line up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power cells into the outer port for the Red Alliance. That'll be a combined 10 points for Red. Wild staying responding for the Blue Alliance. We're seeing a back and forth. The Red Alliance, though, very close to being able to attempt rotation control if they so choose. 20 power cells placed into the ports for the Red Alliance. With 1 minute to go, it looks like no Red Alliance robot is going to attempt to use the control panel. Instead, they're continuing to collect power cells and score them into ports. We're seeing Argos with several up top for the Red Alliance. 40 seconds to go. Red Alliance continue with the lead, and we're seeing an attempt for one of the first times at the Midwest Regional. Gear it forward with an attempt at rotation control for the Red Alliance. Successful! Stage 2 activated for the Red Alliance. 10 additional points. The first stage 2 activation of the day here at Midwest. 20 seconds to go. Endgame in process. Robots lining up under the shield generator switches. Gear it forward, and Argos lining up for Red. Wild Stang and McDowell Robotics, Team 63 for Blue. 5 seconds to go for them to pull themselves up. Gear it forward or up. Wild Stang on a limb. It looks like Wild Stang is up. Neither shield generator switch. The final score of 142-56. The Red Alliance is victorious. And like we see on the Blue Alliance, only 5 points awarded for that end game. Wild Sting, well, they did get their feet off the ground.